set up some Vision AV, and later I will take you to play the Vision AV. Now we see the PPT the first, and we can see this is our Vision AV interface, and in the left we can see this is the flow chart of the tool, and in the middle we can see the image and the preview, and the right there are many parameters we can set up, and this is the real time. This is the real case we use. So in the left we can drop some block to change the execute to the tool, and there is the from top to the down, and in the right there we can drop the ROI, and then we can set out the parameter, and then can show the result, the value. Finally, we can judge the threshold. So there are many tools we can choose. So the most one we have to use is the Add tool and the Delete tool. Okay. So and there are 4 applications, 4 common application we use. For example, is position, infection, and measurement and the recognition. And we have the 3 types to result output is to Ethernet and the CSV file and the PLC. So now we show how to load the image. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So
yeah.
This is the I say the interface, and when I open it look like this. And now I say there are many tools is over here.
Yeah.
And we can first we load the file. We can select this one.
Yeah.
And load our picture. So the picture will show in the screen. And then we can add a new tool. So here are many tools. We can choose the position and the okay, here we can see there are 2 matching types. One is the shape, one is the gray. So first I want to show the shape, and start. And there are 2 the matching type, and the first is the shape matching. It's used to there are 这个是连线问题，我继续哦。The shape is to match the pixel. They will divide the pixel, the bigger, and divide like the 255 and 0, and there are the pixel to give the line.
Yeah.
Okay, and there are the other matching type is the gray matching. It's just to match all of the pixel. So all the pixel will to match. It's different from the shape matching.
Yeah.
Okay, like this picture, this will match all the pixels. So this situation will get 100%, and the second situation will black and the white and black. So all the gray matching will be the different of this 100%. Okay. So first I show the shell matching.
Yeah.
And I add the list tool, and in the right we can see we can choose the detect condition, and we enter the model, we drop the star. Can you see there will is the ROI.
Yeah. It's
So when I
right? Inspection
the
for
ROI
the
will
yeah.
can you say again?
Yeah, no, it's okay. So go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll see ROI when we can drop your shop your object. You can choose all of your object, and the ROI will correct. And then you press the set, and the model will finish. And you finish the shop model will become finished. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, then we can see right here, the result will match the number of the match will show the 1, so it's correct. And then next we can detect the other picture, and in this case we can see the detect result is the 3, but in the real is 4. So here has 1. We cannot find it, but we can we can choose some other parameter to get our detect better. Like here, I can choose the max overlap, and I can choose I add the overlap the value, and you can find the 4 number match number. Okay, so then I will check the other picture.
Yep.
So it's okay to find all chef picture. Okay, so next I show the gray matching. So do you know how to delete this block?
No, please explain to us. Yeah.
Here we can press the delete, and we can take this block. And then we can load the new file. Now we load the other file, and we can add this new tool. And we choose the same, but we need to choose the other mode. It's great density matching. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so do you remember how to the sum of ROI? The right here, we can start, and the ROI will become. And we can, like this situation, we want to find the white. And because this gray density density need to match all of the pixels. So we need to choose all of the pixels for accuracy, like this one. So the Vision AV will match all of the pixels in the list ROI. Okay, it's different from the shape matching. Okay, then we set a set. So ROI will be fine. And then finish. We will classify seven objects. Okay.
You don't see a screen?
Can you? So, do I need to toggle this tool again? Okay, I talk again. So we can load the file and we choose the gray shape matching, and we open the star, and we drag the ORI. And because we need this Vision AV shape gray shape matching is to match all the pixels. So we need to create very accuracy. It's better to the training model. So finish with step set and finish. So we can find. So we can find the 7 number of match. You can see in the right. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So next I want to show the okay. Now I want to show the other application is
So just to sum up the guidance methods we just talked about, the shape matching and the gray density. The shape matching basically it looks for the layout, the outline of the object. It basically looks for the characteristics of the picture. So you see here there is a black cross. So it looks for the outline of this black cross. And it forms this line, the green line here. And you use green line to do the matching. This is called shape matching. And for the other method, yeah, here for the other method, gray density matching. It calculates every pixel in the region. So you will calculate and get the value of the pixel. See the black pixel here is 255 and the black pixel here is 0. So you calculate and remember every value of the pixel, and then you do the mention using all these values. So this is the fundamental difference between these two methods. Okay.
And then we show the recognition. So the recognition we can divide by the three is 2D code and barcode and OCR. And we do remember how to delete the block? Add this and delete. And then we load the file. First we show the OCR. Okay. In this case, we add the tool and choose the recognition and choose the 2D code. And OK. So we need to block. We choose the all ROI, and here we choose ROI. And here are many 2D code type we can choose. Like this is there are many types, and we can try and see which one code type is this picture. So in this case we can find the this code type is this. So another we can choose is the black upper and the white black, or is white upper black back. Okay, so in this situation is the black upper and white background. Okay, so next we can choose another picture. Okay, I choose in this case. We also choose the ROI, and now we can see this is the white upper and the black background, and we can try the code type, and this is the micro QR code. Okay.
I got it.
Okay, so this tool is very easy to recognize the 2D code, and another we can show the 1D code. So I also type the recognition and the barcode. Barcode is 1D code, and the picture we can choose the other file, like this one. Okay. So in this case, the ROI will choose the like here I just choose one barcode ROI, so they can find the one barcode. But I also can choose the bigger ROI, and we can find the all barcode in this picture. Okay, so and the code type is very good. We can choose just auto, so auto will include all the code type. Okay, so like this can finish.
만약에 저기 바꿔 넣어야 되는 것 중에 한 개만
Okay.
그거 읽고 내가 하나는 따로 그거 왜냐면 주에 있을 때
아니면 또 사고 보면 죽이면 되잖아.
근데 막 밖에 막 돌아가고 그러면
근데 보통 프로그램 라인은 일정을 가져.
참
화면에서 불러있겠죠.
Next, we show the OCR. So we load the OCR picture and we add a tool. And the recognition and OCR. Okay. So we load the OCR tool in here. So now we can choose the region we want to detect. And here I did not set any tool, and we can find the string of this OCR. It's BT here. So if I just need to I don't want the bigger BT, I can just choose here. And you also can find the string of this picture. And there are many code types, but we just need to choose the universal, and we can get the many situations. Okay, and I think this OCR is the best. I think the OCR, this tool is very good because maybe the other tool need to train, and this Vision AV can do very friendly. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. So next, wait. So did everyone remember how to do this? How we know the other, we do the inspection. So we also load the file, and we choose the tool. And we choose grayscale binaration area. So because in many cases we need to find the find the defect. So like this situation, we can see here are one very big defect. We need to inspect this. So we choose all RI because we don't know where is the defect, and we also can choose the menu to choose the grayscale, and we just to move the list, and we can actually crowd the list effect. But we can see here the detect result. You can see the number of match. In our C, we can see just one defect, but in the Vision AV, find the 594 is also like here, very small one. And we can do the other, like we can set up the main area. So we can set up main area to hide. So now we defect we can find the defect number is just 1. Also, we can choose the file hole because you can see this this is defect. The inside of many little is defect, but the Vision Navy did not find it. So we can choose the file hold on. So all the small one, small pixel will hold the file. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can see other picture. Okay, and the fine. Like this, this is the correct picture. So the number of match is 0 is correct, and this is correct too. And this is 1, so we can like this one. Okay, we do. And but in the real application, when we detect the defect, we want to show the NG for customers. So here we can just set up some judge number. So like this, I want to, if I like this one, I can show the max number is 0. So when I find the one find the max to 1, when I find the one match number, and so they will show the NG. So like this, and it's on NG, 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 and this is okay because it did not find any match, any match numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I show the wait, I delete the block. And now I show the measurement. Okay, in this case, you can see if I want to show the list small between there, we can take this measurement tool, and we choose the measure width of the pair edge. And because here we case is just the line height, and here I choose the measurement value. So when I choose this block, I can show, you can still see the one line, and we just need to move on you want to detect detect objects, and you can find the all edges. So now we can see this just show the the number is 1, the white. So, but we also can choose the target edge all. So all of the layer measure value will show in the picture. And now if maybe you want just show the third, you can just choose the third, and we'll show the just third value. And we also can see the I choose the all. So I can press this one, and we can see the all value in the this measurement width detect result, and we'll find the 14 number of detect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any questions for the full application? Like you have any sorry, do you have any questions for this common application tool? Hello? Uh, huh? Can you speak again?
Mean if we can get images from cameras instead of load images from computer?
Hello. Do you mean we can choose? You mean we not only can get a picture from file, we also can get a picture from camera. So this is your question. So we, because this now we didn't have. Wait, I see. Because we also can check the camera, and we can get the file. We can get the picture from camera. So this we can do this. Do you have any another question?
Okay, so for calibration, you simply click this icon here, this icon with camera, and then we have this screen, and right here you see a ruler here. Okay, so we click on the ruler icon, we get this yellow mark, and for this yellow mark, you can just align the object you measured. For example, we align with this IC chip. Yeah, so we align it, and we measure the real dimension of this IC chip. Let's say if it's 10 millimeter, okay? So I input 10 here and then hit the correct button. Okay, so now the unit is converted to 10 millimeter. You see here? Okay, so this is how you do the calibration. It's pretty simple. Yeah. I'll do it again, okay? So let's say if the height of this IC, so I change the direction of this measurement tool, and let me do an alignment to the border of this IC. And let's say if the height of this IC is 5 millimeter, I just hit 5 and then correct. The unit here is 5. Yeah. Okay. Calibration. This is calibration. I don't get what your question is. Calibration. Calibration tool. For me, the calibration is just a unit conversion between the pixel unit to real world units. So what I just done is the calibration. So okay, let's do it again. If we do not do the calibration, then the value here, the width will not be correct. Okay, let's say if we measure this IC and the width is actually 5 millimeters, so I hit 5 here and then hit correct. And see, before the calibration, the value here is 11.29 millimeter. So I hit 5 here, so correct. Now it turns to 5 millimeter. Can you see my mouse? Can you see my cursor? Yeah. So, excuse me. So after we do the calibration here, we also need to change the tool here. So this is the original value, the width, like 10.7 and 10.7, 10.6, 10.3, right? We need to enable a unit conversion option here. So I click on these two arrows here and then choose unit conversion. And then original is off. So I need to change, like, let's say 1 millimeter. So you see the value change here, right? Now it turns to 0.2. You can also change to like 1 micrometer. So the value will also change in the result section. Okay? So if we do not do the unit conversion, then the value will be the pixel value. Because this calculation, this measurement is done on the picture, which consists of pixels. So this value is also pixel values. Okay. So what we need to do is first we click this camera icon. We do the measurement of this physical dimension and then input the correct dimension here, and then we go to a tool and then choose the unit in this unit conversion option here. So the value will change accordingly, okay? Yeah, so is this what you're asking? Is this what you are asking?
Hello. I told another. So, do how to set up the training model. Here, do you remember? We can move the star, and we can find there are two parameters we can set. One is contrast, one is mini agent. And here we can move, like, for example, if I move the contrast little, so the training model is like this. It's not good. Okay, so maybe we can have move higher contrast, so this shape will be better. And here the other is mini H yeah. Then so in this case the value is 20. So if I move to the higher, like 80, 90, the sum hole we cannot find. So the shape will become this way. Just only the outside shape. It not have the inside, the circle shape. So if we want to modify this situation, we also need to start and choose the lower mini H edge. And they will be better to see the shape like this one. So we can see the inside circle will be shaped. Okay?
Okay.
And okay. So before we introduce the common application, Now I will show how to input and output. So here we can choose the input output here, and we choose this layer has. Do you see my mouse? Hello, do you see
Yeah.
my mouse? We choose here.
Yeah.
Okay, and we can. I said before we can output by the internet and PLC and the CSV file. And now we will do the internet for example. So here we can choose the internet, and we can add a list. And add a list is the what we want to show out for the customer. Like this case, because we have the list tool. For example, we can get a list position, X position, and we can add this position Y. So the output where we can see the here, right? And we also can add a string list. We need to wrap the and up, and we can see the two number will be different signs. Okay.
Okay.
So this is our output value. So how to connect by internet? We can here to add a configuration. So I see my PPT. And here we can see now we need to here we need to set up the IP address and the port. So IP address is I keep this one. Here. Can you see my mouse?
Yeah.
I set up the IP address and the phone number. I finish. I add a star, and we can see the stage is connect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we need to open this one. Maybe you can go home to download this file, and we need to set up the same configuration. So it's here. Okay, can you see my mouse? Both the configuration need to the same. So the IP address is 127.0.01, and the here is the same, and the TCP port is the same to 8500. Okay.
Okay.
So okay. So you can see the step is now the connecting is okay. So now we can add a send test, and we can go here to see.
Mm.
You see my wait. Okay, can you see here?
Yeah.
So I send the test again. So I send the test, and we can see here the variable.
Yeah.
So we can use this tool to output the result. So
Okay.
this is now we can show the position. You also can show the other like how many count
Mm-hmm.
or how many count did this pattern match result. So I can also add a list count. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Wait. I. So, okay. In this case, if another people see these three numbers, they don't know what this number means. So we also can add the string to they see to give the customer see. So we can add the string cat, and uh, we can add our cost. Okay,
Okay.
and I add okay, and now we can see the output result is here. But if I want to put over in the top, we can add the and then see the string text will be in the top. But now we can see the word and the number is I want to show in the different line. So I can add the string and the RLS, and we can okay.
Okay.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello. Can you see my result in my screen?
Okay.
So here the string we can do what we want to choose, like maybe you can type the today.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. And then we start and we send a test again, and we can see in the here. Oh wait, I need to connect again.
Mm.
Oh, and we send a test, and we can see here. So the output result is the same we send. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So do you have any question?
No.
Also, it's not only can output the internet, we also can just show on the display. We can add the tool is over here, input and output, and we can take this one, display result. So we can do the same with, we can add a list and the tag we want the position, X and position Y is the same with the connect, and we can tell, okay? So the display result will show on the your screen, okay? Hello, okay.
Right now we support only Mitsubishi and Amaro. Yeah. Actually, we didn't have machine to do a test, but so I know it integrates the. Let me show you. You will see link. Here is MC protocol and fees. Now, so as long as their device supports these two protocols, should be good. Okay. Okay.
And another question.
No.
Hello. Mm.
What is that? Sorry. Mitsubishi protocol. Oh, mobile protocol. Oh, okay. Right now we don't have mobile protocol integrated in.
Do you have any question?
其他 demo 要做吗？
点位
我说你还有其他 demo 要做吗？
没有，
所以这样子就 OK 了。
你猜，你有觉得还要做？
有没有那么快？
Hi.
Yeah.
Do you have any like customer project or you have any sample images that you want to try in Vision Express, Vision Navi? We can do it now and we can do it like as a demo for you. Yeah. And you have the sample image, right? Do you have the sample image? Oh, 1D barcode? Okay. Let me take down. What's the FOV? You say 300 millimeter, right? No. Oh, meal size. One barcode 653.
我记得是把后用心。对啊，蛮大。
The speed is actually very fast. Yeah, 1 meter per second. Do you know how many barcodes on an image? How many barcodes we need to read? Yeah, on one image. Just one.
Do you have any?
Yes. So what the object is? I mean, why they need such big FOV? Because 6 by 300 is really large. Yeah. And can you ask them if they are able to provide an image, a sample image? Yeah, so okay. Yeah, so once we have the image, we can do the barcode reading on this software, and we can like generate a report to you, and you can give the report to customer. Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah, good. Okay. 然后你要不要你还要讲其他的东西吗？看一下真正的发掘，飞轮，知道吗？对啊。
飞轮好，飞轮的。
对啊，我觉得飞轮还蛮有道理，还是换你要讲。那你现在来干嘛？我现在我们现在要看还有。
Hello. Hi. Now I show the real case I faced.
From our customer.
Yeah, from our customer. And wait, I load my picture. Hi. Can you see my picture, my image? In this case, The FOV is 170 mm, the FOV. And there are the many barcode we need to recognize. And you also have the barcode and the 2D code in this case. So first we add the barcode tool. We just need Hi, this is my image. This is our customer image they gave me, and we can show there. We just choose the all ROI. We can find the all barcode. Yeah, here, and we can test the other picture like this. There are different ages. It can defect. I can find it. So just very easy to just only put the barcode. Okay, and but you can see in this picture, it also have the 2D code. And we can add the 2D code in this case. And you can find this case, the 2D code type is QR code. And but here we can see the other 2D code. And the type is the other is ECC 200. So we can add three. We can just use three score, and we can final display the result like this one. We can find all 2D code and one barcode like this one. And this FOV is 170 mm. So in your case, I have I open the other picture. I have this. You can see this FOV is 306. And in the barcode, we can find all the barcode and the 2D code. Okay. Or maybe if you have the picture, you can you can load the picture in our list. Here. If you have picture, you can go enter our demo machine. You can test your picture. You can also do this from file and load your picture and put the barcode to the code inside and can detect the result. Okay? Okay? So when will you get the customer image? Hi. When will you get a custom image? Not sure? Okay. So if you get the image, you can go our demo mission to test. Okay? Okay. Very good. Oh, no. Maybe I can give you our demo machine, and you can enter our demo machine, and you can try to play this, test this image. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, very good. Okay. So wait for your customer image. Oh, and if you need a demo machine, you can mail me, and I can send you the ID and the password. Okay? Oh, very good. And do you have any question? I can give you my PPT, okay? There are inside the all steps you can try. No, not yet. Just have the.
We are still modifying the manual, and once it's done, we can share the manual. Yeah.
So I can send you this PPT, and you can see the this PPT has the step by step. And if you have any question, you can mail me. Okay. Okay. Or another question. Okay.
Okay, so today we finish our introduction about our software Vision Navi, and as Becky told, we also share the AnyDesk login ID and password to you, so you can log into our machine and play the software. And if you have any project or any question, you can always email us. Yeah, or we can schedule another training for you too. No problem. Just let us know, okay? Yeah. Okay, so thank you for your time today, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.